Hey everybody, want to give you an update on my 2000 Dodge Dually Club Cab. 5.9 liter 24 valve Cummins that I got for 1,500 bucks. Actually, I never paid a dime. I gave them 1,500 bucks off their heating and air system that they bought. And they upgraded to a higher efficiency probably because they knew I'd be doing a little bit of trade with them. Anyway, it had 4 brand new tires on the back. And the front had 1 tire that was leaking and 1 tire that was dry rotted. So I just went ahead and replaced both the front tires. Spent 390 bucks on some Firestone Transforce HT2s. I've seen people get 80,000 miles out of these on a work truck myself. And I watched it the whole time. I managed a business a while back, a garage door business, and one of the trucks had these on it, and he rotated them like clockwork. But I mean, he always had a good alignment. He always took care of the truck, and they lasted a long time. So I'm gonna try these. I had been using these on my Mercedes. I like these. These are very expensive Michelins. Those are the LTs, guess is what you call them, LTX, MS. But those work pretty good. They have a really good ride, but I put them same Michelin tires on my Chevrolet van, work van, and oh my goodness, still it rides really rough. It doesn't have anything to do with the tires, I'm sure. But anyway, wanted to show you my new tires. Wanted to show you what's going on here. Got it jacked up. I just pulled it on the other side of the farm where it can be closer to where I live instead of at the shop. Check this out. I want you to look at the ball joint while I lift on this thing. Let's see. Lower control arm does not move, and I can move this thing an inch. It's almost like the ball joints completely broke off. Let's see. Whew. That's a lot of play. The ball joints are so bad that it did this. The tires, the guy that previously owned it said he didn't understand what was wrong, thought it had to do with a wreck and this, that, and the other. Had nothing to do with that. Had everything to do with there being over an inch of play in a ball joint. And it even, I mean, look at that. That's the upper ball joint. Look at the tie rod end. Come on now. That's not actually that bad. It's just the boot's broken, but I mean, you got to take care of your stuff. Look how much mud's packed in the brakes. I'm going to pressure wash all this, get all that out of there. Look how much mud is packed up there. All I used it for is hauling stuff around the farm, hauling cattle here and there. That's why it's 20 years old and it's only got 218,000 miles. But I'm glad I got it. It's been in South Carolina since day one. The original owner lived in Lugoff, South Carolina, and I bought it from his daughter. And his son-in-law was the one mainly driving it, but I bought it from his daughter. They didn't need it anymore. They weren't running the farm anymore. They kind of retired. And there you have it. Here's my little goat dents. You can see down there. See all them little dents on the side. I can't stand it. I'm going to have to get some body work done. Get all that taken care of. I did get all the doors working. I don't think I've done a video since then. Got all the doors working. Had to take it apart. A little piece in here, actually behind this, there's a little rod that goes down that had popped off on both sides. Now they both open and close just perfectly. Look how good that front seat is. That was a little different story. If you know where I can find seats for this thing, obviously a driver's seat, let me know. Let me know what's the best way to handle that. Whether I just take it to a upholstery shop and say, take care of it, or do I have all the front seats redone, or do I get a wrecked vehicle and just buy leather seats out of a wrecked one? Do I get one out of a more modern one and maybe alter the frame if that works? I don't know. Maybe they're the same for 20 years. I don't know. But anyway, I just thought I'd show you guys what I got going on. And you guys have a good one. Thanks for watching. Be sure to watch the other videos where I have it running. We'll be doing some more videos as we fix it up, rebuild the whole front end suspension. I believe those are original shocks right there. Original shocks, original ball joints. I'm wondering if I need to replace the bushings in there and here. I hope not, because I don't really want to get into that. But anyway, I'll do what I got to do. This one's got about a 1/2 inch of play on this side. Not sure how well you'll be able to see that. Anyway, thanks for watching. You guys have a great day. Please be sure to like and subscribe.